Today on Monson Made This, we are making a super easy and delicious Thai-inspired noodle dish. To a pot of boiling water, add 4 ounces of your favorite Thai-style rice noodles and let them cook for 5 minutes or according to package directions. Once they're boiled, go ahead and drain them and rinse them off in cold water. Now let's make the sauce. I'm going to be using Bragg's liquid aminos. You need about 1/3 cup of these. And if you don't want to write down the measurements now, they will be posted in a link below. So I'm just adding all these ingredients into a cup so you can easily stir them together. To that Bragg's liquid amino, I'm adding 3 cloves of garlic, and I'm just using a microplane to finely grate them. You could chop them if you like, or use the pre-cut up garlic. To that, I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of blue agave syrup. You could use maple syrup, you could use brown sugar, just the sweetener of your choice. You just need about 2 tablespoons. Next thing is a tablespoon of sambal. This just adds a nice bit of spice. If you don't want spice, you can leave this out. And then I buy minced or pre-grated ginger, and you need about a tablespoon of this. If you wanted to add your own, grate it on your own, you could do that as well. And then the last thing is some sesame oil. If you wanted to keep this dish oil-free, you could eliminate this, but it does add a ton of flavor. Just mix these together, and then you can just set it aside while you prep the rest of the ingredients. Now I have my cutting board out here, so I'm going to prep a few things. I need to chop up a bell pepper, an onion, and I'll be crumbling up my tofu. So you want to slice the bell pepper and the onion up into thin strips, and you want these strips to be about the same length and thickness. The tofu, we're just going to be breaking this up as if we were making tofu scramble. So just kind of, I don't know, bite-sized chunks. This just is a really great way to prepare the tofu for this dish. So I have a pan, it's on medium heat, and I'm adding my broken up tofu into this pan. If the pieces are still too big, you can use your spatula or whatever your cooking instrument is to break those up. And just to add a bit of flavor to the tofu, I'm sprinkling it with just a bit of Bragg's liquid aminos. Now this will take a few minutes to cook. You don't want to crumble it around too much. You want to be a little bit gentle, but what we're looking for here is for kind of an even brownness on all sides. Once the tofu is browned evenly on all sides, you want to go ahead and add your onion. And this is just so that the onion can cook down a little bit. You don't want it to be overcooked. You do want it to have still a bit of a crunch and bite to it. So just add your onions. I'm probably using maybe about 1/4 of that onion that I cut up. You don't want to, I mean, it's up to you. They're your veggies. Put as much as you want in there. Stir those up, and you want the onions to cook in here for maybe 4 or 5 minutes before you go ahead and add the bell pepper. Once the onion is slightly wilted, go ahead and add your bell pepper, and you just want to let this cook for maybe a minute or 2. You still want quite a bit of crunch in with the bell pepper. Once that's done, go ahead and add your drained and rinsed rice noodles, and then you're going to want to add all of that sauce. Maybe start out with 3/4, taste it, but I enjoy all of the sauce. It just adds a ton of flavor. Toss this around. We're not using any oil in this pan, so make sure this is non-stick. And you want this to cook down until pretty much you don't see any liquid in the pan at all, and the noodles have absorbed all of the sauce, and even maybe get a little bit of a browning on the rice noodles as well. And after about 3 or 4 minutes, your noodles should be done. We're just gonna be adding one more layer of flavor at the end here. So I'm just gonna take a few leaves of fresh basil and rip those up in here. It's probably about 4 or 5 leaves of basil. And this just adds a really nice flavor to the entire dish. So rip them up, and then you want to toss it in with the noodles. And then there you have our vegan, garlicky, Thai-inspired noodles. This will probably serve about 2 people as an entree. It's really nice and filling, especially with the tofu and the fresh vegetables and the onion. If you like this kind of video, the top-down style, a little bit quicker, let me know in the comments below. I'm probably gonna do maybe one of these style of videos per week if you guys enjoy these. Other than that, I hope you all have a great week. Try this. If you do, let me know in the comments below what you thought about it. And if you have any other recipe video suggestions, let me know. That's it for me. Have a great week.